Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Patty and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here. Now today's video, we're going to be doing a haul. That sounded more excited in my head. Today's haul is a fashion haul with Lookbook Store. If you haven't heard of them, they're an online store and they're based overseas. They sell a ton of trendy items and they sell them for very affordable prices. I've been collaborating with them on my blog and Instagram for a few months now, and I wanted to share a few pieces that I really love from them. This first piece here is a very bright top. It has a V-neck line, and I also love the details, the mesh details on the sleeves, and they're also bell sleeves. I really love that. I wore this around the holidays and I paired it with a leopard skirt. I gotta be honest, I don't like the shoes that I wore with the look. I kind of hated it after. I probably should have worn different shoes, but I really like the really bright red, how it contrasted with the skirt. I really like this top for parties or getting dressed up. It's super cute. This next piece here is a blazer, and I love the military green color. I'm obsessed with blazers. I feel like they're such key pieces to have in your closet. They pair pretty much with anything. When I got this, I originally thought I should pair it with jeans, but I feel like I do that all the time whenever I wear a blazer. So I wanted to do something different. So I paired it with a dress, and I wore jeans underneath. The look was very different from what I usually do, but I really like the way it came out. I love the details of the buttons in the front, and it does have pockets, which is pretty nice. I really love this piece, and I honestly cannot wait to wear it again. I would probably wear it again with jeans. This next piece here is a cardigan, and I love the length. It's all the way down to my ankles. I feel like I love cardigans a lot, and I feel like I don't have many of them. This is probably my second cardigan that I have. It's color blocked, so I love all the colors that it has. I wore this with a fall look, and I paired it with a wide brim hat and some white boots. I feel like you can wear this during any season. I can probably get away with this in the summertime or maybe even spring, probably with some shorts and a tank top underneath. I really can't wait to wear this again because I only wore it for the fall. This piece here is one of my more recent pieces that I've gotten from them. It's a gray sweater dress, and it has pockets on both sides. I really love the pockets. I recently wore this to New York Fashion Week, and I linked that video for you guys down below. I shared the look that I had with this. I wore it with some ankle studded booties, more of a dress down look, but I've also worn this with some over the knee boots. I'll link that video for you guys down below as well. I feel like you can wear this dressed up, dressed down, and I really love the neckline. I wore it in New York City and it was really cold, and it definitely kept me warm. This next piece here is a fleece jacket. I really love how fuzzy it feels. I really wish you guys can touch this. It's funny because me and my friend have this running joke where like these fleece jackets that are trending now, they just look and they kind of feel like bathrobes. It's very warm, it's very fuzzy, and I love the color. It's like this gray, but like a shiny type of gray. I really love this. It was one of two jackets that I ordered from them, and so far I really do like their jackets. This last piece is the other jacket that I ordered from them. This one is a hooded fleece coat. It looks like a teddy coat, which is trending now. I love that it has the hood. This is another piece that I wore for New York Fashion Week as well. I paired it with a mini skirt, and the day I wore this, it was so cold in New York City. I'm glad I chose this jacket to wear that. It fits really well, and I love the way it feels. I can definitely say that I want to wear this jacket all winter long for sure. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this fashion haul. I'm gonna go ahead and link every single piece down below. If anything is out of stock, I'll let you know, and I'll go ahead and link something similar for you guys. Don't forget, you can follow me on social media at Patty's_closet. You can also follow my fashion blog, pattyscloset.com, where I share more fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. See you in my next video.